Guys, Elon Musk is ready to blast Doge off once again, one more time. Guys, Elon Musk has actually purchased a Shiba Inu. What is he going to do with it in order to make the price of Doge sky high? Guys, we're going to be discussing that in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy, so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak, when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell, so that you guys can sell as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. I've seen successful patrons start with those amounts time and time again. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And smash that like button, it really does help out the channel. Guys, some huge news. An article just came out titled, SEC Chair Doubles Down, Tells Crypto Firms Come In and Talk to Us. Gary Gensler says that they have to come in to register with the commission unless they are exempt. Gary wants to regulate a lot of the different crypto firms, exchanges, and cryptos in general. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Well, it's actually a very good thing because it'll allow different banks, exchanges, and firms to now start offering cryptos to their clients, which will inevitably even allow ETFs to be built, which will inevitably bring billions of dollars into the crypto market, causing the prices to go up. Guys, this will allow for big whales, big firms, to feel more protected under the law and under the government, since they would get involved and inevitably be protecting every single investor. Another article just came out titled, Bitcoin price flirts with $40,000, but derivatives data is still bullish. Bitcoin is leading towards $40,000, but derivatives data shows traders are holding a neutral to bullish stance. Which means, even though we have been bearish for several days now, we've been bullish for several months, and we are continuing to be bullish. People are still longing versus shorting because of the last several months being bullish, and the future's open interest still remains healthy, which is very, very strong. And the reason we saw the drop that we had seen here lately is because of the $3.5 billion liquidation. And because of so much interest still in Bitcoin's futures, we know that the whales are extremely confident in the future of Bitcoin, which is very, very good. Because as you know, as Bitcoin moves up, the rest of the cryptocurrency market tends to follow up along with it. Because it's completely normal for a several month bullish period to then have a cool down corrections phase, which we're in right now. Guys, that's when you need to get greedy. That's when you need to buy the dip. Have some cash on the side to buy the dip. A bull run wouldn't be a healthy bull run without a cool down corrections period. With every dip, we always have a peak, and with every peak, we always have a dip. We could never go straight up and down. So guys, take advantage of this short time period that we are getting these dips. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link at the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, the smart investors know that when it dips down low, that's the time to buy in. It gets the excitement up for the smaller retailer investor, but also for the whales, and inevitably causing the prices to jump up and bounce once again. Guys, with more money being put in, even than before, during the bull run, guys, it then creates more stability, more strength, so that when we do go up again, it remains at those high levels and we continue to see higher highs. This strength allows for these future crashes rarely to go below its previous low. Guys, another article came out titled, On National Adoption of Bitcoin, What Can El Salvador Teach Us About Bitcoin's Future? Well guys, first of all, not only is El Salvador now accepting it as legal tender, including McDonald's in El Salvador and every other business, but a lot of other countries are now wanting to follow along with them. and start accepting Bitcoin as legal tender as well. Guys, El Salvador's currency was ultimately failing. It was continuing to depreciate in value, and they knew they had to do something and do it quick. Well, guys, there's a lot of countries out there, be it third world countries or otherwise, that also have depreciating currencies. They're continuing to depreciate, and they don't want their economy to go down the drain. So they know they need to do something fast, and that's why a lot of other countries are going to jump on the bandwagon, inevitably causing the price of Bitcoin to go up, and go up fast. Guys, I'm expecting us to see $120,000 just for Bitcoin just by the end of this year. And guys, when we see this happen, it wouldn't surprise me if we also saw Dogecoin above $1, Ethereum above $10,000, and a lot of other cryptos 10x by then. And guys, as trillions of dollars pours into Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and literally the top cryptos, as more cryptos end up getting adopted by these countries, you want to be positioned very well. Guys, you want to get in before this mass adoption happens so that you can rake in the profits and you don't get greedy at the wrong time, have FOMO, and buy in on the uptrend. Because guys, it could very well be too late by then. Guys, Elon Musk has a lot of things that he has to focus on, a lot of businesses that he has to run, and that's why he hasn't been tweeting so much about Dogecoin on his Twitter account recently, as well as he's been holding out because he just got a brand new dog named Floki. Guys, this dog is going to be huge. It's going to be huge for Dogecoin because it'll allow him to post a lot of cute memes, a lot of cute pictures of the dog, inevitably causing the price of Dogecoin to go up. Guys, he is still working with the developers of Dogecoin. He's still working with Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, the incredibly successful entrepreneur. Guys, they're trying to bridge Ethereum with Dogecoin. This is going to be huge. This is just the beginning stages of Doge, just the beginning stages of crypto. Guys, you want to get in while the prices are still incredibly low because they're easily half the price of their actual worth right now. Guys, simply after he tweeted out that he got a brand new dog with a picture of Floki, we saw billions of dollars flowing into Dogecoin. Guys, this is very minimal compared to the incredible memes that he's going to put out in the future about Floki. So I'm very excited to see what he has in store. Guys, about a year ago on the Ethereum charts, in September, we saw a big bounce. However, just after that, we had a healthy correction cool-down phase. It consolidated for a little while. However, when October hit, we had a huge bounce to the upside once again. Therefore, historically, I conjecture that in October, we will see some huge moves. We will see some huge pumps for Dogecoin and a lot of the top cryptos. So guys, you want to be ready. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dips when I call them out, when I see that they're steep enough. You want to be positioned very well before October comes. Even though I believe we are going to start becoming very bullish just by the end of this month, October, November, December, guys, historically, these months are very bullish. So you want to be ready. I'm positioned very well, so you guys want to be positioned well as well. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, just after this bullish flag and pennant, we consolidated for a little while. We had our dips, we had our peaks, and then when we had the huge dip right here, we had a bottom. It stopped at our level of resistance. It came up a bit, hit the level of resistance again, came down again, hitting it again. Guys, this is a triple bottom. Extremely bullish symbol. And then, of course, we are headed up from here. Guys, we're going to have another peak, and then we're going to have another dip. You want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out. And if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy in as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin upload. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And I'll see you tomorrow.